The Supreme Court's conservative majority is signaling support for the religious rights of some parents in Maryland.
They want to remove their children from elementary school classes using storybooks with LGBTQ characters. ABC's Andrew Dimbert reports on the dueling arguments the justices heard.
This morning, the Supreme Court appears likely to allow parents to opt their children out of public elementary school lessons that conflict with their religious beliefs. The case centers on a group of interfaith families in Montgomery County, Maryland, who objected to their children being read books with LGBTQ characters and themes. They say this isn't about censoring books, it's about respecting their faith.
We have certain tenets in our religion that contradict some of the teachings that we're being taught.
But Emily McCowan, a parent in a same-sex marriage, says these books reflect reality.
These books are representing the community that is surrounding these children. You cannot deny that we exist. We live here. Our kids go to school here.
The school system in Maryland initially allowed parents to opt their kids out, but later said the program had become a logistical nightmare and ran counter to inclusion. The justices, during arguments yesterday, wrestled with where to draw the line between exposure to such materials and coercion, which is forbidden under the First Amendment.
It's not just exposure to the idea, right? It's saying this is the right view of the world. This is how we think about things. This is how you should think about things. This is like 2 + 2 is 4.
Is merely being exposed to the reading of the book out loud coercion? Is looking at two men getting married, is that the religious objection?
A lawyer from Montgomery County argued federal courts should not decide curriculum disputes, noting that the county school board was democratically elected. But the conservative justices question how this is different from excusing your child from other activities or classes.
What is the big deal about allowing them to opt out of this? They're able to opt out of the health class, right?
Justice Kagan warning that could be a slippery slope.
It would be like, opt-outs for everyone.
The court is expected to issue a ruling in June. Andrew Dimbert, ABC News, New York.